Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock this royal jelly fountain in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. So guys, this is one of the cosmetics from the Bizzy Bee event update. And this cosmetic is very special because it can give you the Jelly Gem Mutation. So it's very useful, guys. If you want to get the Jelly Gem Mutation, you need to have this cosmetic in your garden. And if you want to get it, you can go to the Royal Jelly shop. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 800 Royal Jelly. You just go to the Royal Jelly shop and you can buy it from here. But now it's not available, so we need to wait, guys. Okay, as you can see here, it says periodically imbues your crops with the Jelly Gem Mutation. So yeah, it's really worth to buy. And the Jelly Gem Mutation is beautiful, guys. So this is the crop with the Jelly Gem Mutation. It will give the purple color to your crops. Okay guys, and that's all about the Royal Jelly Fountain in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!